Looking for the best hosting or coupon code to save money on web hosting? In this video, I'll show you how to get massive discounts with plans starting at just $232 a month after using the hosting or coupon code at checkout. We'll also break down the differences between Hostinger's premium, business, and cloud startup plans so you know exactly which one is right for you. Let's get started. Right now, Hostinger is offering a Hostinger coupon code that can save you a ton on your web hosting plan. Just click the link in the description below. It'll take you straight to Hostinger. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code right next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and get the best Hostinger deal. Here's what you'll pay. Premium plan as low as $232 a month. Business plan as low as $306 a month. Cloud startup plan as low as $697 a month. Plus, you get a free domain name for 1 year on any of the annual terms. Just keep in mind the monthly term doesn't include a free domain. And to get the biggest discount, select the 48-month term at checkout. Let's start with the premium plan, the most popular and affordable option. With premium, you can host up to 3 websites, get 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, receive 2 mailboxes per website, free for 1 year. It also comes with powerful benefits like a free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificates for all your sites, weekly automatic backups, email marketing tools, an AI website builder to create a site in minutes, free site migration with no downtime, and automatic WordPress updates and maintenance. This plan is perfect if you're just starting out with a personal blog, portfolio, or small business site. Next, the business plan, designed for growing websites and online stores. Here's what you get. Host up to 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of lightning fast NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes per site, free for 1 year, plus everything from the premium plan and more. Daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce builder to create online stores fast, an AI agent for WordPress to help manage and optimize your site, a free CDN for faster global page loading, and WordPress multi-site support to manage multiple sites in one dashboard. If you're building an online store or managing several projects, the business plan gives you speed, security, and scalability. Finally, the Cloud Startup plan, Hostinger's most powerful and performance-focused option. With Cloud Startup, you can host up to 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes per site free for 1 year, and everything in the business plan. Plus 3 gigabytes of RAM for smoother performance, 2 billion endnotes for large file capacity, 100 PHP workers to handle busy sites, Power Boost for heavy traffic spikes, dedicated IP address for stability and better email deliverability, priority 24/7 support. This plan is built for agencies, developers, or anyone managing multiple high-traffic sites. Here's a quick breakdown. Premium plan, best for beginners and small websites. Business plan, best for growing sites and online stores. Cloud Startup plan, best for high-traffic sites and agencies. No matter which one you pick, Hostinger gives you AI tools, fast NVMe storage, free SSL, and awesome performance. To claim your Hostinger coupon code, just click the link in the description below. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code right next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and so you can get the lowest pricing available. Start your website today for as low as $232 a month and get a free domain, free SSL, and an AI website builder, all included. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more hosting tutorials and discounts, and comment below if you need help picking a plan. Thanks for watching and happy website building.